Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best MFSA regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Malta Financial Services Authority, or MFSA, is the single regulator of financial services in Malta. The MFSA was set up through an Act of Parliament, and its main functions include the protection of consumers, the integrity of financial markets, financial stability, and the supervision of all financial services activities. The MFSA also holds an advisory role to the government in the formulation of policies on matters relating to the financial services industry. In the carrying out of its functions, the MFSA collaborates closely with local and international institutions. Traders who are searching for some of the best MFSA-regulated Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best MFSA regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006. And currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CySEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a Shares account, Demo accounts, and Swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is a CySEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best MFSA regulated Forex brokers, we have Alpari International. Alpari is an FSC regulated Forex broker that offers flexible accounts, plenty of educational resources, and support for MetaTrader 4 and 5. This broker was founded in 1998 in Kingstown and has secured the trust of more than 2 million clients worldwide. There are currently 8 head offices around the world, and Alpari has grown into one of the largest global brands in the Forex industry. As an Alpari client, you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals and CFDs, and there are more than 250 tradable instruments to choose from. You can start trading with as little as $5 when you open an account with Alpari, and your trades can be leveraged by up to 1,000 times your initial deposit amount. With Alpari International, reduced negative slippage rates are guaranteed, and requote rates are incredibly low, even when the markets are volatile. Not only is Alpari a great option for beginners, but we would also recommend this broker if you are interested in copy trading, or if you would like to be a strategy manager for other traders. Alpari offers standard, micro, pro, and ECN accounts that are suitable for all types of traders, from beginners and copy traders to retail traders and professionals. All accounts can be funded using US dollars, euros, Great British pounds, or the Nigerian naira, and the lowest minimum deposit requirement is $5 on the MetaTrader 4 account. Their standard accounts are commission-free with instant execution guaranteed, and they can be converted to swap-free accounts for Muslim clients, and spreads start from 1.2 pips. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. You can also use the Alpari application to easily manage your trading accounts, trade your favorite instruments, and monitor all your trades from one screen. Alpari is a great option for beginners because they provide plenty of trading guides, tips for successful trading, guides on Forex trading strategies, and much more. There are also online workshops and webinars that are conducted by trading experts, and you can read the articles provided to gain more insights into Forex trading and what it's like to be a trader. With over 2 million clients trading on Alpari's servers, you can rest assured that you will be trading in active markets with deep liquidity and many opportunities to make a profit. Alpari guarantees low slippage, minimal requotes, and instant trade executions, so you will always be ahead of the game with this broker. And those are some of the top 5 best MFSA regulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.